Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to the next topic of Go for Beginner series, which is how to declare constants in a Go. So what exactly the constant are? Constant is some variable which is basically the unchangeable or a read only. Now how we can create the constant in a Go? So you can create a constant in Go using const keyword. Okay, the syntax is very simple. So syntax is const, then constant name, or what we can say a variable name, right? Then you can add the type and you can add the value. Okay, so let's see a simple example how we can declare a constant here. So we'll say const, I will say pi, which is of float, and I will say 3.14. Okay, so this is how you can declare a constant. Now one important thing here is whenever you are declaring a constant, make sure that you assign the value right away, otherwise you get the compile time error. Okay, now in our previous session we saw some variable naming rules, right? So all those rules are also applied to the constant variable also. Okay, generally we create the constant in a uppercase, right, like this. Okay, so this will help you to differentiate between normal variable and the constant variable. And one more important thing here is you can declare a constant inside as well as outside the function. Okay, so this is one important thing about the constant. So now there are two type of constants available in Go. So those are typed constant and untyped constant. So let's see what is type constant. So type constant basically is a constant which is declared with a defined type. Okay, so for example I will say const a, which is of type int, and the value. So this is basically the typed constant. Okay, then we have untyped constant. So untyped constants are those constants which are declared without the defined type. Okay, so for example I will say const b is equal to, let's say, 5. Okay, so these are typed constants and untyped constants. Now in our earlier session we also saw how to group variables in a single block, right? So in the same way Go also provide one feature where you can declare a multiple constant and group them together. Okay, so this is basically to enhance the readability of your code. Okay, so let's create one group constant. So I will go here, I will create a constant outside the function. So I will say const keyword, we will create a block and I will create constant, let's say int is equal to 3. Then I will say, okay, a is already there, I will say c. Okay, and then I will say d, which is of string, and I will say hello. Okay, and e, which is of bull, sorry, not bull, I will say false directly. Okay, this is untyped constant. Okay, and let's print them together. So this is how we can print the constant. So I hope you understand the concept of constant and how we can declare a constant in a block. Okay, so if you have any question, please add it in the comment section below and I will try to get as early as possible. So thanks for watching and I will see you on the next one.